Students, in the last period we have seen the formulas on straight lines, and all of you, I have told all of you to prepare all those formulas so we can solve the problems on those formulas of straight lines, or we can solve the problems on straight lines. I hope all of you have prepared the formulas on straight line. If you have prepared the formulas on straight line, it will be very simple to you to understand the problems on straight line. Considering that you have prepared the formulas on straight line, we are going to solve the problems on straight line today. The first one, that is find slope, x-intercept and y-intercept of, this is the first one. Under this heading we are going to solve at least 3 or 4 problems. So first equation is 3x plus 2y equals to 6. 3x plus 2y equals to 6. We have to find out the slope, x-intercept and y-intercept of line 3x plus 2y equals to 6. Now first we have to write down this equation in the standard form. Standard form means in the general form. What is our general form? I write here. The general form is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Now in general form we have to determine the slope, x-intercept and y-intercept. Here slope equals to, I write m equals to minus a upon b. X-intercept is equals to minus c upon a, and y-intercept is equals to minus c upon b. So this is the general formula, and these are the formulas on that general formula. Now our equation is 3x plus 2y equals to 6. We have to write down this 3x plus 2y equals to 6 in the general form. What is the general form? In general form, the right hand side is equals to 0. So first we will shift that 6 on the left side. That means this equation will become 3x plus 2y minus 6 equals to 0. Now the given equation is in the general form. Comparing these two equations means which one? Ax plus by plus c equals to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 6 equals to 0. We will get the value of a. A is equals to 3. By, here it is 2y. B is equals to 2. C, here it is minus 6, so c is equals to minus 6. Once you get the value of a, b and c, your work is very simple. The formulas are there. But before that, you have to remember that you convert that equation in the general form if it is not in the general form. If it is in the general form, there is no problem. You can directly write down the value of a, b and c. But if it is not in the general form, first convert it into the general form and then compare with the general form. By comparing, here we have got a equals to 3, b equals to 2 and c equals to minus 6. Now slope, m is equals to minus a upon b. A is our 3, so that will be minus 3 upon 2. Slope of this line, 3x plus 2y equals to 6 is minus 3 by 2. Next comes x-intercept. The x-intercept is equals to minus c upon a, which is equals to minus of minus 6 divided by a. A is 3. This minus of minus plus, so that will be equal to 6 by 3 and which is equals to 2. Then y-intercept is equals to minus c upon b minus, again c is minus 6, so minus 6 divided by b is or 2, minus minus plus, so there is 6 upon 2 and that is equals to 3. So the slope of this line is equals to minus 3 by 2. X intercept is equals to 2 and y intercept is equals to 3. It's very simple if you know the formula and the general form, and its formula is x intercept, y intercept and slope. Let us solve the second problem on the same, under the same heading, that is the second equation is, that is b, x by 4 minus y by 3 is equals to 2. X by 4 minus y by 3 is equals to 2. So we have to find out the x intercept, y intercept and slope of the line. Now you can solve it directly by shifting 2 here or by cross multiplication also. So by shifting 2 on the left side, this equation can be written as x upon 4 minus y upon 3 minus 2 equals to 0. X upon 4 minus y upon 3 minus 2 equals to 0. Now again, the general equation is ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where slope m is equals to minus a upon b, x intercept is equals to minus c upon a, and y intercept is equals to minus c upon b. Now if we compare ax plus by plus c with x by 4 minus y by 3 minus 2 equals to 0, then a is equals to, a means coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x here? Here, x by 4, it can be written as 1 by 4 into x, or that complete equation can be written as 1 by 4 into x minus 1 by 3 into y minus 2 equals to 0. Those who are getting difficulty in finding the coefficients, they can write down the equations in this way: 1 by 4 into x minus 1 by 3 into y minus 2 equals to 0. Or I put here, that is 1 by 4x minus 1 by 3y minus 2 equals to 0. Now if we compare the coefficients, we get a equals to, the coefficient of x is 1 upon 4. B means coefficient of y is equals to minus 1 by 3. And the value of c, here, it is c is equals to minus 2. Now substituting all these values in this m, x intercept and y intercept, we get m equals to minus a upon b, that is equals to minus a is 1 by 4, 1 upon 4 divided by b is minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3, minus minus gets cancelled, 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 3, that will be 3 by 4, or in simplification we will write 1 by 4 into 3 by 1. 1 by 4 into 3 by 1, that means equals to 3 upon 4. So the value of slope for that equation is equals to 3 by 4. Then x intercept is equals to minus c upon a, which is equals to, the value of c is minus 2. Minus 2 upon a is 1 by 4. That can be written as minus 2 into 4 by 1. So it will become minus 8. Then y intercept is equals to minus c upon b, which is equals to minus C is again minus 2 upon B. What is B? B over 1 minus 1 by 3. B is equals to minus 1 by 3. This minus minus gets cancelled. So it is 2 into 3 by 1 and that is equals to 6. So the x-intercept is minus 8. Y-intercept is 6 and the slope is equals to 3 by 4. So just something is wrong. C is minus 2, B is also minus 2. So this is minus of, minus is here, C is minus 2. That means this will be minus 2 and this will be minus 6. Make the correction. So minus C upon B, it is minus C by A. C is minus 2. C is minus 2. So that is again minus of minus 2. Minus of minus is plus. So this will be plus 8. X-intercept is 8 and Y-intercept is minus 6. Because of this minus sign, I got confused. So, but we have corrected it. Minus of C is itself minus, so minus becomes plus. So that will be 2 into 4 by 1, that means plus 8. Again this minus, I forget that minus sign. So here minus, C is minus 2, B is also minus that gets plus. So this minus carry on. So minus 2 into 3 by 1, that is equals to minus 6. So there is x-intercept and y-intercept for that equation. X by 4 minus y by 3 is equals to 2. Let us solve one more problem on the same type. That is five y. Find the slope and x-intercept. This is the third problem. 5y is equals to 4 into 3 minus 2x. 5y equals to 4 into 3 minus 2x. Now again this equation is not in the general form. So first we have to simplify it. If we simplify it, we will get 5y is equals to 4 into 3, that means 12, minus 8x. Shifting these terms on the left side, minus 8x comes here, that will be 8x plus 5y minus 12 is equals to 0. 8x plus 5y minus 12 equals to 0. Now the general equation is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So here a is equals to 8, b is equals to 5 and c is equals to minus 12. Slope m equals to minus a upon b. Slope is equals to minus a upon b. Now minus a upon b, that is equals to minus 8 upon 5. Then x-intercept is equals to minus c upon a. That is minus of minus 12 upon a. A is 8. That is equal to minus minus plus, that means 12 upon 8. Or we can write 12 upon 8 as 3 by 2. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Then y-intercept is equals to minus c upon b. That is equals to minus of c is minus 12, b is 5. So minus of minus plus, that is equals to 12 by 5. So we have got the slope is minus 8 by 5. X-intercept is 12 by 8 or 3 by 2 and y-intercept is equals to 12 by 5. So that is the first problem under the heading of straight line, and under the heading of subheading of find slope, x-intercept and y-intercept. Under this, we have solved the 3 different types of problems. Now, the next problem, that is equations of lines. The next problem that depends on equations of lines. We will try to solve at least 2 problems on each type. First one, find the equation of line. Find the equation of line passing through four minus 5 and having slope minus 2 by 3. We have to find the equation of a line passing through the point 4 minus 5 and having slope minus 2 by 3. So here, what we have to find? Equation of line. What is given? A point is given whose coordinates are 4 minus 5 and a slope is there which is minus 2 by 3. That means we are having a point and we are having the slope. So point is the given point is 4 minus 5 and slope, that means m is equals to minus 2 by 3. Now to find out the equation of line, there are different combinations. If suppose slope and y-intercept is given, you have to apply that y equals to mx plus c. A slope and point is given, you have to apply that slope point form, that means y minus y1 equals to m into x minus m. 2 points are given, then you have to apply 2 point form. 2 intercepts are there, you have to apply 2 intercept form. Now in this case, a point is there and slope is there. So you have to apply by slope point form y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. What is m? That is minus 2 by 3. What is x1? This is our x1. x1 means x coordinate of the given point and y1 means y coordinate of the given point. We have to find the equation of line. ये एक straight line है. I put here. This is the straight line. The slope is given. Here the m is equals to, that is minus 2 by 3 and the point is given. Point is, let us say here is that point whose coordinates are 4 and minus 5. So we have to find out the equation of line passing through the point. This point इनमें से pass हो रहा है, passing through the point 4 minus 5 and the slope of that line is given as minus 2 by 3. So substituting the values here, we get y minus y1. y1 is minus 5, so that we can minus of minus 5 is equals to m. m is minus 2 by 3 into x minus x1. x1 is 4. I repeat again. Since the point is given and slope is given, we are considering the slope point form. Our slope point form is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Substituting the value of x1, y1, x1 is 4 and y1 is minus 5. x1, y1 means the point through which that line is passes. So here we will get y minus of minus, that means plus 5 is equals to minus 2 by 3 into x minus 4. By cross multiplication, if we cross multiply here, it will be 3 into y plus 5 equals to minus 2 into x minus 4. 3 into in bracket y plus 5 equals to minus 2 into x minus 4. Now simplify. Simplifying the bracket, 3 into y, that means 3y, plus 3 into 5, that is 15, minus 2 into x is minus 2x, minus 2 into minus 4, that is plus 8. 3y, 15, minus 2x, plus 8. Shifting all the terms on here, because your last answer, that should be mostly in the general form. So shifting here, we'll get minus 2x, that will become 2x plus 3y plus 15 minus 8 minus 2x comes here, 2x plus 3y 15 minus 8, or we'll get 2x plus 3y 15 minus 8, that means plus 7 equals to 0. That is the required equation of a line, that means the equation of this line, which is passing through the point 4 minus 5 and having the slope minus 2 by 3. Its equation is 2x plus 3y plus 7 equals to 0. We have applied the slope point form since the point is given and the slope is there. Now we will solve one more problem on the same type. Say here, find the equation of a line passing through the point. I put here minus 3, 4, and the slope is 1 upon 4. Find the equation of a line passing through minus 3, 4 and having the slope 1 by 4. So here the given point, passing through minus 3, 4, that means this is minus 3 and 4. So the value of x1 is minus 3, y1 is 4. And the given slope, the slope is 1 by 4. So again, this is the straight line whose slope is given. Here the value of m is given, which is equals to 1 by 4. And here it is the point whose coordinates are minus 3 and 4. And we have to find the equation of this line. The concept is similar to the previous one. Slope is there and point is there. Since slope and point are there, we have to apply the slope point form. So by slope point form, we will get y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Now substitute the values. We get y minus y1. y1 is our 4. y minus 4 is equals to m. m is 1 by 4 into x minus x1. This is minus of minus 3. So now simply let us simplify it by cross multiplication. This 4 comes here, that is 4 into y minus 4 is equals to 1 into x minus of minus, that is plus 3. Now let us simplify it. 4 into y, that means 4y minus 16 is equals to x plus 3. Shifting the terms on the other side, we get x plus 3 plus minus 4y. This goes there, so that will become minus 4y plus 16 is equals to 0. Generally, keep the coefficient of x as positive. It is not necessary, but it is always better to keep the coefficient of x as positive. That's why I have shifted this 4y minus 16 on this side. In the previous problem, I was shifted that y terms here 4y on the that side. So x plus 3 minus 4y plus 16 equals to 0. That means x minus 4y 3 plus 16, that means plus 19 is equals to 0. That is the equation of a required line which is passing through the point minus 3, 4 and having the slope as 1 by 4. So these are the two problems on that slope point form. Now our next type is the 2-point form. So we will solve the problem on the 2-point form also. The question is, find the equation of a line passing through the points say 3, 5 and minus 2, 3. 3, 5 and minus 2, 3. Find the equation of a line passing through the points 3, 5 and minus 2, 3. There are 2 points. So the given points are 3, 5 and minus 2, 3. So you may consider this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, or vice versa. You may consider this is x1, y1 and x2, y2. There is no restrictions which is you have to consider which is to be x1, y1 and which is to be x2, y2. But I prefer already the given order. So here this point is a x1, y1, this point is x2, y2. Now by 2-point form, what is 2-point form? Y minus y1 divided by y1 minus y2 is equals to x minus x1 divided by x1 minus x2. By the 2-point form, y minus y1 divided by y1 minus y2 is equals to x minus x1 divided by x1 minus x2. We are having x1, y1. x1, y1, that means the first point through which that line passes. x2, y2, that means the second point through that line passes. That means if you have to draw the line, this is the line and these are the 2 points. The first one is 3, 5. The second one is minus 2, 3. So these are the 2 points through which that line passes, and we have to find out the equation of this line. Substituting the values, we get y minus y1. y1 is 5 divided by y1 minus y2. So it is 5 minus 3 y minus 5 divided by y1 minus y2 is equals to x minus x1, that means x minus 3 divided by x1 minus x2, that is 3 minus of minus 2. Just we have substituted the value of x1, y1 and x2, y2. So simplifying it, we get y minus 5 divided by 5 minus 3, that means 2, is equals to x minus 3, 3 minus of minus plus 2, that means 3 plus 2, that is equals to 5. Now cross multiply, we get 5 into y minus 5 is equals to 2 into x minus 3. If we simplify it, we will get 5y minus 25 equals to 2x minus 6. 5y minus 25 equals to 2x minus 6. Again, as I told earlier that try to keep the coefficient of x positive. So here x is positive. So shifting this term on the other side, we get 2x minus 6 minus 5y. It goes there plus 25. I repeat again, 2x minus 6, 5y goes there, so minus 5y, minus 25 goes there, so plus 25 equals to 0. Or we can write 2x minus 6y minus 6 plus 25. So 25 minus 6, that will be plus 19 is equals to 0. That is the required equation of this line passing through the point 3, 5 and minus 2, 3. 2 points, that means you have to apply 2-point form. 1 point and slope is given, then you have to apply the slope point form. Let us try the another example on this same one. Find the equation of a line passing through the points the points are minus 4, 6, minus 4, 6 and 8 minus 3. The points are minus 4, 6 and 8 minus 3. So here again the given points are minus 4, 6 and 8 minus 3. There are 2 points. So first one is x1, y1, second one is x2, y2. Now again, since there are 2 points, we can apply the 2-point form. So by 2-point form, first we will put the 2-point form, that is y minus y1 upon y1 minus y2 is equals to x minus x1 upon x1 minus x2. Again, this is the straight line. and on this straight line there are 2 points are given, first and second. First one is -4, 6. Second one is 8 and -3. You have to determine the equation of this line. Just you have to substitute values. So this therefore y minus y1, y1 is 6, y minus 6 divided by y1 minus y2, that means 6 minus of minus 3, 6 minus of minus 3 is equals to x minus x1, x1 is minus 4 divided by minus 4, x1 minus x2, that is minus 8, minus 4 minus 8, x1 minus x2. So we get y minus 6 divided by 6 minus of minus means plus 3, 6 plus 3, that is 9, equals to x minus of minus means plus 4 divided by minus 4 minus 8, that is minus 12, minus 4 minus 8, that is minus 12. Now 3 and minus 12, we can simplify it one. We can reduce it in the smaller. We know that 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are minus 12. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are minus 12. That means the complete equation can be written as y minus 6 divided by 3 is equals to x plus 4 divided by minus 4. It is always better to write down the numbers in the smaller form, if possible. Now cross multiplication. By the cross multiplication, we get y minus 6 into minus 4 equals to this minus 4 into y minus 6, 3 into x plus 4, minus 4y, minus of minus is plus 24, minus 4y, minus of minus plus 6 into 4, 24, equals to 3 into x, that is 3x, 3 into 4, that is plus 12. Again, keeping the coefficient of x as positive, that means we have to shift the terms of y on the other side. Shifting these terms on this side, we get 3x plus 12. This minus 4y goes there, so that will be plus 4y. This goes there, so that will be minus 24 is equals to 0. 3x plus 12, it goes there, so plus 4y minus 24 is equals to 0. Or we can write 3x plus 4y, 12 minus 24, that means minus 12 equals to 0. That is the required equation for that line passing through the 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2. So we are in the problem on the general equation of line. We have seen the problems on slope point find. We have also seen the problem on the 2-point form. Now let us solve the problem on 2-intercept form. Find the equation of line having positive intercepts on axis find the equation of line making equal intercepts on axis and passing through the point and passing through the point minus 2, 7. See here. Find the equation of a line making equal intercepts on axis. On axis means on x-axis as well as on y-axis. That means there are two intercepts. Equal intercepts on axis. That means there are two intercepts on x-axis as well as on y-axis. Since there are two intercepts, we have to solve the problem by the two intercept form. Now by two intercept form, the equation of line is x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. That is the standard form. By two intercept form, the equation of line is x upon a plus y upon b equals to 1. Now see here, read our problem. What is saying? Find the equation of a line making equal intercepts. What it means? They are making the equal intercepts. What are the intercepts? The intercepts are a and b. But the condition is says that the intercepts are equal. So by the given condition, or I can write, since the intercepts are equal, since the intercepts are equal, therefore a is equals to b. Therefore a is equals to b. You may consider a equals to b, or we can consider b is equals to a. So the equation becomes, therefore the equation is x upon b plus y upon b is equals to 1. Or we can write x plus y whole divided by b equals to 1. That means x plus y by cross multiplication is equals to b. Now we have got x plus y equals to b. So the equation of a line which makes equal intercept on the coordinate axis, that will be equals to x plus y equals to b. Now we have to get the value of b. To find out the value of b, the second condition is given. The line is passing through the point minus 2 and 7. That means the value of x is minus 2 and the value of y is 7. Since the line passes through the point minus 2, 7, therefore substituting x equals to minus 2 and y equals to 7. X equals to minus 2 and y equals to 7. So substitute x equals to minus 2 and y equals to 7. We will get minus 2 plus y is 7 is equals to b. Minus 2 plus 7 equals to b. That means it will be 5 equals to b. So the value of b is equals to 5. Now substitute the value of b equals to 5 in this equation. Hence the equation of line, hence the equation of required line is x plus y equals to 5. That is the equation for the line which makes an equal intercept and which passes through the point minus 2 and 7. So that's enough for today. I repeat again, we have solved the problems on the general form, slope point form, 2-point form, and the two intercept form. Generally in our exam, there is very rarely the problem will be on the two intercept form. But the first three, there is always problem. That means slope intercept, slope intercept, 1 point form, that means point slope point form, 2 point form, and the general form. That's it for today. Here we will stop. We will continue in the next period the remaining problems on the straight line in the next period. Thank you.